any company listed in the stock exchange or in the process of listing in the stock exchange, so that company will follow index, Indian Accounting Standard. Number one condition. Number two condition, if the net worth is more than equal to 250 crore, if the net worth is more than equal to 250 crore, that company follow Indian Accounting Standard. So two conditions over there. Number one condition, the company must be listed in the stock exchange. Number two, net worth of that particular company is more than equal to 250 crore or more. 250 crore or more. Now the question is, what is net worth? Yes, you tell me, what is net worth? Net worth means basically what we know. Total assets minus total liabilities. This is our general concept. Your total assets minus total liabilities. There is another formula in company's perspective. Net worth is shareholders fund. Shareholders funds means equity share capital, preferential capital, plus reserve and surplus. Net worth means shareholders fund plus reserve and surplus. Reserve will be general reserve, capital redemption reserve, and surplus means what? Surplus means profit. What profit? Profit and loss credit balance of your company. You earn profit, so that should be added with the shareholders fund. It is plus the shareholders funds means equity share capital plus preference share capital plus reserve and surplus minus 50 CS asset. So net worth of a company means equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus minus 50 CS assets. So if the company's net worth is more than equal to 250 crore or more, and the company is listed in the stock exchange, then the company follow index. In India, almost 41 index over there. 40 to 41 or more than that index in our India. Now, so there is index like 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5 in this way. So what is the convergence? What is the similarities? Index 1, it is basically tells about the financial statement presentation. Actually, we have done cash flow statement in our class. Cash flow statement, accounting standard 3. Here index 7. Index 7 is cash flow statement. It means when we prepare cash flow statement, we should follow as per the index. We will maintain our cash flow statement as per what index said, not in our own policy. It must be index policy, index rules, index regulations. Okay. So when it is index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that time it is converged with, listen carefully, International Accounting Standard. International Accounting Standard. It means International Accounting Standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way. It means International Accounting Standard 1, it matches with in index 1. Our name, world provide the name IFRS or IAS, International Financial Reporting Standard or International Accounting Standard, but our India, the rules is same. Like index 1 is same as IAS 1, index 7 is same as IAS 7. Okay, but we provide a different name. Not we follow the name. We create a different name. The name is Indian Accounting Standard. Okay, similarly, after someone, there is a index 101. It is matched with IFRS 101. Index 102, IFRS 102. Index 103, IFRS 103. So in our syllabus, we will study this one. Index 101, Index 103, Index 107, Index 113. These is included in our syllabus. So it means our index is converged with IFRS. So what we understand that index means which is the combination of two. Index is the combination of IFRS and IAS. So when we follow the index, it means you are following IFRS and IAS. You are maintaining comparability, you are maintaining transparency, you are maintaining reliability, you are maintaining relevance of your financial statement. That's why Indian CA is more comparable than other, because you are following both. But foreign follow any one of them. Foreign country maybe follow IFRS, maybe follow IAS. It's up to them. But in India, it is a combination of both. So Indian CA who are studying, they study all the IFRS, IAS in our CA final exam. So this syllabus included, whatever syllabus given to your MCOM batch, it is also included in CA final batch, final year. So that's why Indian CA is applicable, basically Middle East country, worldwide recognition. The passing percentage how much? 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So Indian exam, CA exam is more tougher than other exam. Percentage is very minimum. It means they study both IFRS, IAS, every details in the final exam. So basically we are studying, what we study? The transition from accounting standard to index. Now asking question to you. First question to you. What is the, why it is shifted to index? Can yes. So harmonization.
For the company, if our company is operating in